Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler of Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, stock number 28324T. This one is orange in color. It's actually called Pumpkin. Get your marker lights here in the fenders. Fog lights down here in the front bumper with the black tow hooks. Performance LED headlights. We got the two-tone 18-inch wheels here. It's like a polished aluminum with like a granite painted on the inside. Heat deferring fenders. Again, this is a Sahara. Running boards. Take a look on the inside. We have power mirrors, locks, and windows. Premium leather seating. Got the Sahara stitched right in it. Touchscreen radio allows you to control things like the backup camera, radio settings, different features like heated seats. Right below it you can do the same things with hard buttons. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, your automatic windows, little media center here. Got a USB-C port, auxiliary port, and a USB, as well as your 12-volt DC. On the premium leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings here, as long as things for your gauge cluster and your hands-free for your phone. On the back side of the steering wheel, we have buttons all like this on each side, one for preset, one for volume. Now, something to keep in mind on these Jeep Wranglers, these are a 3-piece freedom top, meaning if I wanted to just take this front half off, I could. But everything, as far as the top wise goes, is removable. Pretty spacious back seat. We got your automatic window buttons here, your USB options, and your 115 volt. There is 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C. And keep in mind, these Wranglers do have back seats that fold down, so you know, if you run into any issues of cargo room, you just have the peace of mind of knowing that there's plenty of room. Just leave that down for now. Seat belt was in the way. Got your black tow hook here in the bumper. Full size spare with a backup camera. Got your painted rails. And again, there's plenty of space back here. Little storage container here. Places for all the bolts to your door hinges, bolts to your roof, and the 4 bolts for your windshield. Plus a little 12-volt action back there. Really feeling this orange color. The wheels really set it off nice as well. Again, we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, stock number 28324T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.